This is gonna be sweet. Oh yeah. So here I am, about to watch Mr. Body Goals, and here I am just sitting here eating a donut. I am so not worthy. Hey, yo everyone, Blake's hey, and today is a very good day because Rain has officially come back. Well, actually, technically he came back yesterday, but still, Rain is back. If you guys are like new to K-pop and you don't even know, he is the inventor of swag. And I mean, this guy is one of the megastars of K-pop. I mean, he sold millions of albums, starred in Hollywood movies, and I mean, the dude's a legend. And he's making his musical comeback with The Best Present, which I heard was inspired by his girlfriend, so props to you, girl. And it says right here that the song was also produced by Sigh, so to be honest, I wasn't sure what to make of this collaboration because I didn't know if Sigh was going to be in the video or if, he was just going to do some stuff behind the scenes, but he's the producer of this song, so this is going to be a pretty interesting watch. I absolutely have no idea what to expect from this video other than Rain just being the king of swag that he is. So I am pretty excited for this. I mean, Rain. Man, Rain. Let's get into this. Shall we? Yeah, let's shall. 3, 2, 1, hit the playback. Oh! Already, look at that. Legend right here. Put that hat on, boy. Oh, man. Oh, that voice. Man. Woo! If I was half this cool, I'd definitely be in the entertainment business by now. So look at that dancing right there. Look! Like, it's such a simple background, but just... It's like, he's one of the few artists where just his presence alone makes the stage. Man. What? Oh, yes. Do it. Oh, here come the backup dancers. Ooh. Get your shine. Get your shine. Oh, look at that. Now it's changed to all white. Oh. Hotline bling again. Oh, man. Oh, so much smoothness in there. Oh, look at that. As if I ever look cool doing that. Oh, I better not. Yes. Yes. Look at that. The video is just all him and him alone. That just shows his presence right there. I probably said that like 3 times already, but it's the truth. Them new soloists better pay attention. Oh, I know! Man. Look at that. Look at that cool lighting right there. That's so neat. Look at that, it's just like... Hats off to you, my baby. Whoa, what was that? What was that extra, Rain? Hold on. Oh, wait. I missed it. Hold on. Again, he's like... Hats off to you, baby. And then... Oh, wait, is it over? Oh, it's over. Oh man. Same Rain. Same Rain. It's already over. It's already over. Yep. Well, that was short, but awesome. All right. Well, that was Rain, the best present. What do I think about it? Swag. I mean, this guy was on fire with swag and swoon and just overall coolness from head to toe all the way throughout that video. I mean, there are very few K-pop artists today who can match the stage presence of this guy right here. I mean, from his start at JYP, to his own company, to Cube, to now his one-man agency. Wow, he has really come a long way, and his style has not changed one bit. He is still the swagalicious man that he was when he first debuted. Thank you, JYP, for discovering him. And the song, oh, that song, that was a lovely song. It was beautifully sung, and the choreography was very wonderful too. I mean, it was just all him singing and dancing in just the most plain backgrounds ever. But it still was amazing. And now that I think about it, now that I know that Sigh produced this, it didn't really seem like a Sigh song at all. I mean, I could see why Sigh really wanted Rain to do this, because if he were to do it, it'd be the most embarrassing thing on the planet. But yeah, kudos to you, Sigh, for making this for another big K-pop legend. And last but not least, the clothes. Can I have them in my size, please? Like, please. Please? But anyways, that is my opinion. What are your guys' opinions? Put it down in the comments down below. Whew! That was one heck of a ride. This is Blakester. You're watching Ayo Blakester. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And until next time, peace out, Blake Scouts.